1 year ago, EagleLIFT partnered with Groundworks. Together, we rebranded as Groundworks to raise the standard and to lead with purpose. This is our story.
Some of the limitations and obstacles that EagleLIFT faced
Before partnering with Groundworks were financial constraints.
We wanted to promote guys into foreman or superintendent, but we just didn't have the money to have more trucks, and we couldn't afford more marketing to support more sales.
And we had a backlog that I think at one point went up to about 8 months out. There were a lot of great opportunities that we missed, and we just didn't have enough manpower or equipment to accommodate their schedules.
Fast forward a few months later, where we have so many trucks in our parking lot, where we're owning the business park, basically.
The last year has been truly exceptional.
The growth of the company, the creation of our commercial division, not just in California, but expanding that throughout the entire nation. It's really been tremendous.
Our old warehouse was very small. This one's 4 times bigger. We have more room, more space. We can have everything ready that we need for the guys.
From Q4 to Q1 of this year, we've grown our sales volume 59%. We've more than doubled our headcount in terms of our certified field inspectors, growing at 133%.
Last year as a team, we installed about $10 million. Now we're on pace to install over 14 by the end of this year.
Since joining with Groundworks, we've had experienced an increase in employees. We've actually experienced a 25% increase, which is really great.
Groundworks has provided lots of opportunities. Personally, I was promoted from foreman to now superintendent, and a lot of my guys have also been promoted from installers to now being foreman, which allows us to live a better life outside of work as well.
I've seen all of us work and how hard we work. Nothing can really stop us or get in our way unless it's us kind of preventing ourselves from excelling in what we do.
We haven't even learned where our limitations are yet. The sky's the limit, really.
Everyone better buckle up and get ready.